War. It is one of the most persistent and devastating forms of human conflict. How do we make sense of the immense suffering, the strategic calculations, and the deeply personal decisions involved in warfare? For centuries, philosophers, theologians, and political leaders have tried to navigate this moral minefield, using what we now call just war theory. But it's important to understand that just war theory isn't a single, unchanging rulebook. Instead, it's a rich, dynamic tradition, a collection of competing voices that have evolved over time. To understand this tradition, we need to look at it through two fundamental ethical lenses: deontology and utilitarianism. Views on the morality of war exist on a spectrum. On one end is realism, which argues that morality simply doesn't apply to war. For a realist, war is a realm of pure necessity and self-interest, where moral talk is just idle chatter. On the other end is pacifism, which contends that war is inherently immoral and that violence only creates more violence. Just war theory seeks a middle path between these two extremes. It attempts to reconcile the strong moral presumption against taking human life with the hard recognition that force might sometimes be necessary to protect innocent lives and defend our most fundamental values. To do this, the theory makes what Michael Walzer calls a dual judgment of war. A war must be judged twice. First, we judge the reasons for going to war. This is called jus ad bellum, or justice of going to war. Second, we judge the conduct within the war itself. This is jus in bello, or justice in war.